Hi guys, my name is Felix from BeviClean, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your draft system with the Bevi Handy. First of all, we connect the lines at the bottom, or beer lines. Therefore, we have to remove the beer line from the coupler. I already did that now. And then connect your two beer lines, or if you have more beer lines, connect more than just two beer lines at the bottom with this simple thing. Next, you have to remove your taps at the top, and if you have more than two beer lines, you have more taps, and then you can just make a loop from these taps to the next tap, connect them at the bottom, connect them at the top, and then you create a loop and you can clean all your beer lines at the same time. Alright, then you have your inflow on the top. Your inflow you connect to the water tap directly, and the outflow is on the back side of the Bevi Handy, and you just let the outflow just flow in the sink. First of all, we're gonna start with the pre-rinsing. We're gonna push the old beer and the old dirt out of the beer line. Therefore, we already put the sponge in the beer line. Open up one side of the Bevi Handy, put the sponge in there, close it up again, turn the water on, and then let the sponge run through your beer line and wait till it's on the other side. Then you know that all your old beer is out. Then you turn off the water again. You get one tablet. We recommend the use of Bevi tap. Then you let the sponge run through the other side. Turn off the water again. Open up the Bevi Handy. Put the tablet in there. Close it up again. Then turn the water on again and push it to the other direction. Now you see how your water gets blue. Then water off again and let it sink in for a few minutes. We recommend a time of 15 minutes for the chemicals to really get started. After waiting for 15 minutes, the tablet has dissolved in your beer line, and then you can start to push the sponge through your beer line and change the direction. By changing the direction, we reach dead spaces in your beer line that you would normally with just a one-way clean not reach, and plus we have turbulences in the cleaning process that also rinse out microbacteria and mucus. If you only have one tap on your bar, you directly connect your beer line from the bottom, from the keg coupler, to the Bevi Handy on the other side, and create a loop like that. When you have created that loop, it's the same procedure. Put the sponge in, put the tablet in, let the tablet rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, rinse the system through, change the direction sometime, and then rinse it through thoroughly with fresh water. Put the sponge out there, and then you're good to go and your draft system is cleaned.